In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Clickup Gantt chart effectively. Gantt charts are fantastic tools for visualizing project timelines and dependencies, ensuring that every task is accounted for and deadlines are clear. A well-managed Gantt chart can significantly enhance your project management skills, and Clickup provides an intuitive interface for creating and using these charts. First, once you have logged into your Clickup account, navigate to the space where your project is housed. This ensures that you're focusing on the right set of tasks and timelines. In Clickup, spaces are organizational units for projects, so being in the right one is crucial to stay on task. Next, on the dashboard, look for and click on the View drop-down menu. This menu is packed with different ways to see your project laid out, from list view to board view. But for now, go ahead and select Gantt from the options. This selection will take you to a new interface where the magic happens. Now, assuming you've already set up some tasks for your project, you'll see them automatically lay out in a timeline format. Each task appears as a horizontal bar, and their length corresponds to the start and end dates you've set. No dates yet? Don't worry. You can simply click on a task and drag its edges along the timeline to set or adjust dates. This dynamic scheduling helps you quickly adapt to changing project needs. To establish dependencies between tasks, which is key for a Gantt chart, click on the little dot at the end of one taskbar and drag it to another task. This creates an arrow, visually linking the two. Dependencies mean one task can't start until another is completed, making it vital for understanding task sequences. To edit any task, just click on it. A side panel will open where you can adjust details like task name, description, and assignee. Customizing your tasks helps keep your Gantt chart up to date and informative for your team. One of the neatest features in Clickup's Gantt chart is the ability to zoom in and out. Driven by the toolbar at the top, this functionality allows you to switch from a macro view of the entire project to a micro view focused just on the next few weeks or days. Finally, always remember to save your changes before you log out or switch to another view. This simple step is often overlooked but crucial for ensuring that your hard work is not lost. And there you have it. You're now equipped to start managing your projects with a Clickup Gantt chart. This tool is immensely valuable for staying organized and on top of all your deadlines. So dive in, start experimenting with these features, and watch your project management skills soar. Thank you for watching, and happy planning!